The Dream by Beaufort, Summerset. It is said that poetry is language at its most concise, and too that language seeds misunderstanding. So for the brave, those are the point, I call you into the dream. Consciousness gathers behind my eyes and understands the darkness that is suddenly here. Time enters and I awake, face down in the bow net. I am suspended, like my perspective of gravity, disoriented, inebriated by sleep, a child with a boomerang. I see light, nay life, deep in the shadow below me, bioluminescence. And then the sound, I name it abandonment as it echoes between the hulls, the amas and the vaka. It is a seal left young and alone, but I know that mothers leave their young and my mind connects experience and story. I know too the brain has an estimated 100 trillion connections, a maze to cage the soul. The time is of argument, but whether not yet morning or still night, dew dresses in the stillness. I rise and place my weight about the deck. My influence on the moment just past pulses outward in otherworldly glow. Never as clearly have I seen my connection to this wet planet. And then again, the sound, pulling at my attention and toward the sight. The pup is a fathom deep, and I, bent to 90 degrees, am his reflection at 6.0 feet. He depicts the fight between physics and biology, of who should take the title, the true study of life. The silhouette or the object, I question his existence, but his glowing coat sheds the heavy weight of chemistry and shows where he has been. Tonight is of dream and wonder. And here at the line, he breaches his medium for thirst of mine. I think my mouth is dry. And then in the stretch, after time departs, I touch the seal. I am him and he me. And then a moment. Memory stores precariously. We risk its change each time it opens. I remember learning that of the old technology. And so it is that I return to sleep, to find the same dream I left.